Hi guys, so today I'm here with a soft Eid makeup look. This will be my first one and I'll be doing another one soon on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. Now I'm starting off with this Maybelline's concealer to act as a primer for my eyeshadows to stay put, and now I'm setting it with the Rimmel Stay Matte translucent setting powder. Now I'm taking this Vichy shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette as my third shade on the crease to act as a transition shade, and I'm applying with the help of the taking a small fluffy brush. I'm taking hot chocolate from the same palette and applying just exactly on the crease, and I'm just making a sharp line with this angular brush, as you can see, and spreading it out evenly so that it doesn't look so harsh, but I want the brown to stand out more on the crease so that the eyes really look, defined and contoured, if that makes sense. Yeah, now I'm blending it with the help of a big fluffy brush, and I'm just applying a little bit darker on the outer V area so that it looks more defined, and I did my other eye off camera just because it won't take too long. So yeah, now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's Eyes Like Angels palette and taking this emerald kind of a dark green olivey kind of a color and applying on the entire lid. Now taking this shade, this palette doesn't have the name, so yeah, I just have to tell this shade, this shade, this shade, like that, okay? So don't mind. And now I'm applying that on the entire lid. Now spraying some Fix Plus and taking this emerald kind of a color, sea green color, and applying right on the top of those two eyeshadows I applied before. I'm applying that, and I want the crease to look like in a round shape as I'm doing it. This brush is like really handy for this kind of a look if you want, precise round kind of a structured look on your eyes. So I did that. Now I'm taking a small fluffy brush and applying on the outer V of my eyes so that it would look more gradient and nice. Now I'm cleaning my under eyes with a makeup removing wipe. These eyeshadow didn't had major fallout, so that was a plus. So I highly recommend you to buy this palette. It's really nice, and it has some major, like, really good kind of a color, and they are pigmented as well. Now I'm making a winged eyeliner with this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner pen. I've recently did a big Indian makeup haul, so if you'd like to see my makeup haul, please do give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comment section below. I really love this eyeliner pen more than Hyper Sharp eyeliner, which I used to use earlier. Now I'm curling my eyelashes and applying this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is in the travel size. I got with my Too Faced Most Loved set. Now I'm applying a L'Oreal Magic Kajal on my upper waterline and applying some lip balm. Moisturizing my face with this Clinique Moisture Surge. I really love this moisturizer, and applying Clinique Eye Repair Treatment Cream under my eyes to give a little bit of moisture under my eyes. Under your eyes there is always a lack of moisture, so it's good to apply moisturizer, like eye moisturizer, under your eyes. Now I'm priming my face with Smashbox primer water until it dries, and now I'm using Face and Body and NARS tinted moisturizer as my foundation on the back of my hand, mixing it together with a flat foundation brush, as you can see here, and applying all over my face, applying a thin layer with this flat foundation brush. And now I'm taking this damp beauty blender. Now I'm bouncing the beauty blender all over my face so that the foundation is blended all over the face. The beauty blender is definitely a good investment for your makeup kit because it gives you a flawless finish like no other thing or brushes could give. And I apply another layer around my mouth and around my forehead. And now I'm taking this LA Pro Girl concealer in the orange shade to correct under my eyes, as you can see here, because I have a major dark circle issue. Now I'm taking this Sephora smoothing and brightening concealer to apply under my eyes, down to the bridge of my nose, some on my forehead, as you can see here, and little bit on my cupid's bow and under my chin, and also where my contour would be, because I wanted the sharp look, as you can see here. Now I'm blending with the help of beauty blender. Wherever I applied that concealer, I'm blending or buffing that product. Beauty blender definitely gives you a flawless or skin like finish with liquid products, so I tend to use beauty blenders for all my liquid products. And if you are enjoying my videos, please guys do subscribe to my channel. I will be more than happy to welcome to my family, my YouTube family actually. And now I'm setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. As you can see here, wherever I applied the concealer, I'm setting it with this Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. Also on the areas where my contour would be, as I've applied the concealer over there itself, but I wanted the sharp contour for this look, so I have applied concealer as well this time. I don't use concealer under my contour area that often. I used to do that only when I want to go for some party or festival or something, that kind of a look. Only then I used to do it. And I applied the MAC Care Blend Press Powder after my Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. Now I'm contouring my face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, as you can see here, and buffing with the help of Real Techniques contouring brush. I think I have chosen bad timing for my voiceover right now. Whatever, we'll work with this now. Now I'm contouring my nose with this Real Techniques flat foundation brush, and I'm applying all like, as you can see, I can't explain, but I'll make another video for just my nose contour. If you would like to see, I would love to film that one for you, because I am really looking forward to make a video with the nose contouring. And now I'm bronzing my face with the Essence bronzer, and all the product names I'll list down in the description box, so please make sure you check my description box. And now I'm applying this Miss Claire blush number 3, and this is like really pigmented. For the price you pay, you get like a lot of pigmentation with this product. And now I'm highlighting first with this liquid shimmering skin perfector by Becca, and it's in the shade Opal. I'm applying everywhere where I would normally highlight, like down to the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, and little bit on my forehead, and buffing with the help of beauty blender. And now I'm taking this Mary Luminizer by the Balm, and applying on the top of that liquid highlighter which I applied earlier, and also applying on down to the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose, as well as on my cupid's bow. So now I'm spraying some Fix Plus on the beauty blender and buffing wherever I applied the Mary Luminizer, so that it doesn't look the chunky glitter on the face. It will look more flawless. And now I'm taking the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I'll be filming my eyebrow routine soon on my channel for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel.
Please do subscribe to my channel. Please.
I know I don't want to beg, but I just wanted you to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching my videos and not subscribing, please don't do that. Do subscribe, so I would love to make more videos on my channel. And I set my eyebrows with the Clear Brow Gel from Anastasia, and I'm highlighting my brow bone with the Mary Luminizer again, and also the corners of my eyes with the Mary Luminizer itself. And now I'm just fixing wherever I feel the like pigmentation has been lost on my eyes. So I'm taking the same Vichy shade I took on the Real Technique brush and applied on my crease, and I'm taking the darkest green from the palette and making a sharp, round shape kind of a lid on my eyes. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and applying on the waterline of my eyes. Now I'm taking the Vichy shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette and applying below my lower lash line, as you can see here, with this Sonia Kashuk brush. And now I'm taking this hot chocolate color and applying just above that Vichy shade which I used earlier, and which with a quite dense brush, because I want the dark brown to show more. And applying mascara. This is a false lash sculpt wings mascara. This mascara is really good for your lower lashes, so I always use this. Now I'm applying chocolate brown lip liner from Color Bar, filling my lips with it. I'm taking this NYX liquid suede liquid lipstick. The shade I'll list down in the description box. I guess it is soft spoken. Maybe I might be wrong. I'll list down in the description box. And taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills strip liquid lipstick, applying in the middle of my lips and spreading it with the lip brush, as you can see here. And the look is done. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow me on all the social media. It's Alvi Trivedi, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with me. And till then, see you next time. Bye bye. Mwah.